Hey, so if you clicked on this video, the chances are you're injured, or you keep on getting injured. Maybe you've been to physio, had some massage or soft tissue work, got given a few exercises, the standard 3x10, and it helped for a bit, but only for a bit. The issue never really went away. You rest, come back, and it flares up again. And you're stuck in this cycle, this endless loop. And I've seen this story over and over again, not just with my clients, but also in myself. Hi, if you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name's Matt. I'm a specialist MSK physiotherapist and a qualified personal trainer. My whole mission is to help people build strong, aesthetic and pain-free bodies. Bodies that aren't just healthy on paper, but can actually perform and keep up with the life that you want to live. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining why your injury isn't going away, as well as why rehab fails for so many people, and more importantly, what you can do about it. So the first reason is you stop doing rehab when the pain stops. Pain easing or even completely going away does not mean you're fully recovered. Most people stop rehab when they feel okay, not when they're actually strong enough again or prepped, ready, rehabilitated fully to go back to their chosen sport. I did this with a shoulder injury. I started off doing the mobility exercises, I started to get a bit stronger, the pain went away, and then I stopped. I tried to go straight back to gymnastics and I wasn't ready. So the pain came back and I was out for even longer. The thing about pain is it's often the last thing to appear, but the first thing to go. So the solution is follow what your physiotherapist has told you. Follow what I'm going to tell you in the videos. In fact, my whole channel was about telling you what you need to be doing to get yourself out of pain. Go through the full rehab phases, build your strength, your proprioception, your control, and ease back into your chosen sport or activity. Keep going until your movements are fully restored back to where they need to be. The second reason why your injury just won't go away is because your rehab is too basic and never progresses. So this is so typical in clinic. A lot of physios give their 3 sets of 10 of clamshell exercises with a band or bridges, and they just stay there. It's a starting point, not a full program. Good rehab should look like a full-on training protocol for gaining muscle or strength, progressive overload, skill development, and periodization. Rehab should be periodized like proper training. So in the early stage, you want to restore your mobility and increase activation of the muscle, because that's one of the first things to go. Obviously, simultaneously with managing pain. In the mid stage, you want to start to build up your strength in a controlled manner. In the late stage, you're focusing on explosive strength. And finally, you want to return to sport or your lifting activity. This is performance-based rehab. Rehab isn't boring when it's done right. It's smart, strategic training tailored to your issue, tailored to your needs. Okay, and the third reason why your injury isn't going away is because your rehab and your training are treated separately. Most treat their rehab and their gym as 2 separate entities. I've got rehab mode, I've got to do these exercises to fix my shoulder, and then, I'm going to the gym now to do my shoulder workout. This creates a huge gap. You go from basic rehab straight into heavy lifting, which increases your injury risk. You need to stop seeing these 2 things as completely separate, but rather one that's going to help with the other, one as part of the other. In fact, you could even use some of your rehab as a warm-up to prep you into your heavy shoulder workout. Well, hopefully not too heavy once you've just come out of an injury, but your shoulder workout should link to your prehab rehab program. When I hurt my lower back a few years ago, I didn't stop training, I just adapted. I focused on my core work, my McGill Big 3, and I backed off the weight I was doing for squats and deadlifts before gradually easing back in. Your body will heal, you just need to give it a chance to do so. Rehab should actually blend into your program. Things like tempo lifts, control work, core stability, and smart volume. So, the solution is to integrate your rehab into your training. Really integrate it. They're basically brother and sister, they're related. Treat it like performance prep and not like punishment. My philosophy is that as a personal trainer and physiotherapist, I don't just stop at pain relief, even though pain is like the biggest motivator to why I get work, why people buy my courses, why people watch and subscribe to my channel. I actually guide people all the way back to full strength. Pain isn't just physical, it affects mindset, confidence, and quality of life. And you absolutely can build a strong, aesthetic, and pain-free body if you approach rehab the right way. What to focus on instead? These are some takeaways. Don't stop when pain stops, focus on finishing the full recovery process, okay? Second thing is progress your rehab like training. Build strength, mobility, and movement capacity. The third thing is to integrate rehab into your routine. It's not something you just add on right at the end. Don't do it half-assed. And of course, track your progress. Sets, reps, RPE, tempo, load, just like you would do on a proper strengthening program. I just feel like physio and personal training, they just integrate so well together because they can basically be in the same thing, right? When you're recovering from an injury, yes, it's physio. When you're actually trying to prehab or prevent injury, it is physio, but it's a blend of physio and personal training. Now, if this sounds like your story, then I've been there and I help people through it. I'll make videos on how to build a stronger, more aesthetic, pain-free physique on this channel. I also talk about nutrition and mindset as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. Comment down below your questions. Remember, you can build a strong aesthetic body without pain, without training through the pain. If you guys are interested, you can get hold of my free 2 times a week minimalistic aesthetic body workout plan. Link is in the bio below. It's helped so many people already. Go and grab your free copy. Catch you guys in the next one.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.